Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I will be talking about how to create these lovely markups in Canva. I would like to show you how I create simple affordable markups in Canva, using Canva. And I use Canva Pro, so if I'm paying for something, why not take advantage of it? Okay, so let's just hop into the tutorial, guys. Okay, guys, so today we'll be creating mugs mockups for our Etsy store using Canva, right? I will not start from scratch. I'm just gonna start from our template. If you want to know the size of the canvas that I'm using is 2000 by 2000, but if you want to see everything like probably from scratch, how to do t-shirts, you can go back to my previous video that I've just created, and that will give you some details. But I really want to keep this video short. All right, so what we'll go into now, we'll go into photos and we'll look for mug mockups. Right, so here in Canva, this is like, I'm not sure if anyone uses the markups here, but the markups here are so beautiful. And I think you can easily use that to post in your Etsy store, right? If you started from scratch and you want to save money, feel free to use these. I don't see anything wrong in using these mugs. These markups are beautiful, right? But if you have a little more money, of course, you can spend to create markups, okay? So let's use this one. Okay, so and all you have to do is simply upload your image, right? Just like this. It's simple. It's a simple markup. Okay, so let us what we can do is look for another markup here and pull this one over here. Okay, it's centered, and we can insert our images. Let's look for an apple, I guess. No, something simple. Okay, so since it's Halloween, I have the Halloween, the pumpkin here, but let's look for something else. Okay, I prefer this. So look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is a beautiful markup that you can create just by using Canva. As I said, as I would normally let you know that I use Canva Pro. Okay, so because I love the options, in what I get. So what we can do now, I just did a search for mugs here, and you can duplicate this, remove the background, leave the images. This will be using the images again. Look at this little one here. This is cute. Simple. So now let us get an image with a mug in action, meaning a mug with something in it, because we have this one here. And let's look for a kitchen background. Okay, so let us try this one. So guys, I'm just going through this with you for the first time. It's a mock-up, so we're just trying to create different little scenes. So we click on this, send backward, right, and we have our mug here. And no, I don't like this. This is nice, but it's not for this mug. We can use this one. Okay, this is better. Look at this. This is a lovely mock-up, right? That we can use. Okay, so let's try this backdrop as well. Right. So as I said, you know, if you don't have a large budget, you can create your own mockups from scratch, right? And you can easily do that using Canva, guys. Without breaking the bank, you can use Canva to create your own simple mockups. So let us now search for let's go into mugs again. What I would like to have, right, this is a perfect one, is someone holding the mug. Okay, so this is perfect, and a lot of Etsy shops all has pictures, images like this where someone is actually holding the mug, just so you can get a realistic view of how it will actually look in your hands. Alright, this is so beautiful. Let's get a different writing. Something that's, yeah, this is right, guys. So here again, you have a simple mock-up, right? Let's go back into mugs and see what else you know, Canva has that we can use. A man's hand holding the mug like he's about to drink it. This is so perfect. So let's scroll through again, you know. Right, so basically Canva it gives you so many options that you can use to create your designs, right? And if you want to know how you can go ahead and dress this up for different seasons, as I said, look at the video where I did the t-shirts and I show you how to, you know, search for different backgrounds, and it's simple like this, right? So let's look for another heart, something that would fit on the red mug. This is beautiful. So this is how it looks, right? So guys, this is it for this tutorial. It's a very simple tutorial, and it's, you know, so I'm just showing you guys how you can use Canva to create simple mockups for Etsy without breaking the bank. So if you're a stay-at-home mom and you want to start your print-on-demand business selling mugs, you can easily just hop into Canva and create your own mockups. If you don't have the money to purchase mockups, you can simply create these mockups and make it your own. It's simple. Okay, so guys, I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial and of how you can create your own mockups of your mugs, right, if you're using in Canva. Okay, so I really am looking forward to my print-on-demand journey, and I really want to take you guys along with me. So if you see any value in this, and if you'd like to know how I am progressing, please press the subscribe button, and I will of course give you some more information as I go regarding my experiences, my likes, my dislikes, and everything that I've learned during this period, because I have learned so much. Okay, so until next time, bye.